New Hampshire is among 6 states that are now being sued by the federal government over access to voter data. The Department of Justice claims failure to produce the information violates federal law, but the states being sued say the request for personal information is intrusive and illegal.
They would have to construct some kind of very clever argument to try to make some kind of a hook. And up till now, they haven't offered any kind of a legislative hook. They've just said, well, the president wants it. And that's certainly unconstitutional.
Right now, certain voter information like names, addresses, and party affiliation is already public, but the Trump administration is looking for more information, like driver's license numbers and the last 4 digits of Social Security numbers.
Even if the president has the power through some reading of legislation to request this, there would be an implication of the privacy right, which may require some kind of heightened scrutiny about how that information gets communicated.
Law professor Daniel Pai says what makes this issue less cut and dry is that the information request came from an executive order rather than a law passed by Congress. Other states being sued include California, New York, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Minnesota. And last week, the DOJ filed similar lawsuits against Maine and Oregon. New Hampshire is the only state of the 8 that's led by a Republican governor. And we, of course, did reach out to the Secretary of State for comment on this lawsuit. We still are waiting to hear back. We're live in Concord this morning. Imani Fleming, WMUR News 9.